Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A5 spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal as a safety precaution to prevent any accidental electrical shorts or issues during the process. This initial preparation is key for a smooth and safe spark plug replacement. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs by carefully removing the engine cover. This usually involves unfastening a few clips or bolts. Once the cover is off, you'll see the ignition coils. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the release tab and pulling it off. Then, using a specialized coil puller tool, gently but firmly pull each ignition coil straight up and out. Avoid twisting or forcing them to prevent damage to the coils or wiring. Now it's time to remove the old spark plugs. Insert your spark plug socket into the cylinder head and carefully unscrew each plug. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of unusual wear, which can indicate other engine problems. Before installing the new plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. Hand-thread the new spark plugs into their ports to avoid cross-threading. Then use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 22 Newton meters. For the final steps, carefully reinsert each ignition coil back into its cylinder, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the ignition coils. Once all coils are secure, reattach the engine cover, making sure all clips or bolts are fastened properly. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Start your engine and listen for a smooth idle, confirming a successful spark plug replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.